Hello everybody, I am Shuja Shah. I am a graduate student at the Department of Nanoscience in UNCG. I am presenting on my research. My research topic is heavy metal extraction from water by the filtration with iron tannic acid complex. Water purification by the removal of heavy metals is one of the most challenging fields of scientific research. In natural waters, heavy metals are generally present in trace amounts, but most of them have a wide range of hazardous and detrimental effects to the human body, even at very low concentrations. Heavy metals, especially lead and cadmium, can cause severe health effects, including cancer, nervous system damage, organ damage, and in extreme cases, death. Thus, it is very important to extract heavy metal from industrial wastewater along with drinking water. In this research, we used the iron tannic acid complex for the filtration of water. We synthesized iron tannic acid complex from iron tannic acid and iron acetate. This is the synthesis protocol of iron tannic acid complex. For that, we used tannic acid, which is generally yellow in color. When we added iron acetate dropwise, it's going to light purple color. After keeping it um, in heat, it will turn to dark purple. Then we go for the sonication, then take the residue to get the TAFE complex. This is the ACM image of iron tannic acid complex, and we can see from the ACM images that the particle size is around 200 nanometer, which is agglomerated together, which we can find from those two ACM images. This is the results when we used uh, iron tannic acid complex as the filtration materials, and here we can see the result for the lead filtration by the iron tannic acid complex. When we checked with 1 ppm of lead in the water, then we do the filtration with the iron tannic acid complex, and we get a trace amount of lead in the water. And for 2 ppm and 5 ppm, we also get the same results. For 5 ppm, it's around 101 ppm of lead is in the water after the filtration with iron tannic acid complex. For silver and cadmium, we get same type of results. So we can say that uh, iron tannic acid could successfully extract lead, cadmium, and silver cations from different water samples containing this heavy metal. The amount of heavy metal in water was detected by the inductively coupled plasma optical emission spectroscopy, which is known as ICP-OES. The presence of large numbers of carboxylic acid groups in the iron tannic acid complex is therefore responsible for the strong binding of the heavy metal cations. Among all the heavy metal filtration materials, the iron tannic acid complex has the greatest potential in the heavy metal extraction processes for future application. So this iron tannic acid complex might be the future filtration materials for removing the heavy metals from the drinking water. Thank you, everybody.